Poland's Gladius program has recently undergone major technological upgrades, solidifying its position as one of the country's most important reconnaissance and strike systems. These improvements are designed to enhance the operational effectiveness of Poland's artillery and reconnaissance units, and include the addition of a mobile analysis station and new capabilities for the FT-5 drone. The mobile analysis station, which is a key part of the Gladius system, has been certified to process classified information up to the secret level. Built on a modified Jelks 6x6 chassis, the station includes a specialized container developed with a foreign partner. It stands out for its ergonomic design, cost-effectiveness, and advanced data analysis capabilities. The station processes data from reconnaissance and command systems to provide critical information to commanders, helping them make quick decisions, especially for fire strikes. After thorough testing, these stations have now been delivered to the Polish Armed Forces. The structure of the BSPU battery within the Gladius program has also been improved, with the integration of 16 Waran vehicles in various configurations. These vehicles include command units, launchers, and technical support, all of which are based on Jelks chassis. These vehicles, along with a multi-loader system for handling multiple drones at once, are crucial to maintaining the efficiency and flexibility of the system. Another key development in the Gladius program is the enhancement of the FT-5 drones. The FT-5 now features an advanced synthetic aperture radar, SAR, developed in partnership with Polish universities. This radar is 50% smaller and lighter than competing systems, allowing for more efficient operations. The FT-5 can now use both optoelectronic and radar sensors simultaneously, offering highly detailed imagery for reconnaissance missions. Additionally, the FT-5 Elant version, equipped with electric propulsion, can intercept and analyze enemy radio signals, providing real-time data for targeted strikes. The FT-5 drone itself has undergone significant improvements. The SAR-equipped version weighs less than 15 kilograms, making it 50% smaller and lighter than other radar systems. It has a range of 150 kilometers and can operate at altitudes up to 5,000 meters. The FT-5 Elant version, with its 6-hour operational autonomy, specializes in intercepting enemy radio signals over a 100-kilometer radius. This capability makes the FT-5 an essential tool for Poland's reconnaissance and strike missions. The Gladius program, which began in the 2010s, is part of Poland's larger defense modernization strategy, especially following Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014. The program was designed to enhance the capabilities of Poland's artillery units with advanced reconnaissance and strike technologies. Over the years, the program has integrated cutting-edge drones, specialized vehicles, and analysis systems. The certification of the Mobile Analysis Station in 2024 marks a key milestone in this ongoing modernization effort, ensuring that Gladius remains at the forefront of Poland's defense capabilities. In conclusion, Poland's Gladius program is a groundbreaking initiative, combining advanced drones, vehicles, and analysis systems into one highly effective military tool. These upgrades position Poland to better address the challenges of modern warfare and enhance its defense strategy in an increasingly complex geopolitical environment.